Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will cover what affiliate marketing is, how it works, why it is important, and how you can get started with it. Affiliate marketing is a popular way of making money online by promoting someone else's product and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Part 1. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. It is a great way to earn passive income online by promoting products or services that you believe in and are relevant to your audience. Part 2. How does affiliate marketing work? When you join an affiliate program, you will receive a unique affiliate link that you can share with your audience. You can share this link on your blog, social media platforms, or YouTube channel. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Part 3. Why is affiliate marketing important? Affiliate marketing is important for several reasons. Firstly, it allows individuals and businesses to promote products and services without having to create their own products. This is especially important for small businesses or individuals who may not have the resources to create their own products. Secondly, affiliate marketing provides a way for content creators, such as bloggers and YouTubers, to monetize their content. By promoting products that are relevant to their audience, they can earn a commission and generate passive income. Lastly, affiliate marketing is important because it benefits all parties involved. The business or product owner gains exposure and sales through the promotion, the affiliate earns a commission, and the customer is introduced to products and services that they may find useful. Part 4. Getting started with affiliate marketing. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to follow these simple steps. Step 1. Choose your niche. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and have knowledge of. This will help you promote products that are relevant to your audience. Step 2. Find affiliate programs. There are several affiliate programs available, including Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. Choose an affiliate program that offers products relevant to your niche. Step 3. Create valuable content. Create valuable content on your blog or YouTube channel that is related to the products you are promoting. This will help you build an audience that is interested in your niche. Step 4. Promote your affiliate links. Promote your affiliate links on your blog, social media platforms, or YouTube channel. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate links. Part 5. Tips for successful affiliate marketing. Choose quality products. Promote quality products that you believe in and that your audience will find useful. Be honest with your audience. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate links. Let them know that you will earn a commission if they make a purchase through your link. Provide value to your audience. Create valuable content that is related to the products you are promoting. This will help you build an audience that trusts you and is more likely to make a purchase through your affiliate link. Track your results. Track your results to see what is working and what is not. This will help you optimize your affiliate marketing strategy. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income online by promoting products or services that you believe in and are relevant to your audience. To get started with affiliate marketing, choose your niche, find affiliate programs, create valuable content, and promote your affiliate links. Remember to be honest with your audience, provide value, and track your results. Thank you for watching this video on affiliate marketing, and if you like this video, kindly like it, subscribe and share this video with your friends so they know about passive income and earn from home.